Correlationism is a performative contradiction that is determined to express itself, and in that sense, the randomness is necessary already ontology, and ontology, in some of its aspects, does not appreciate itself in that way. Epistemology does not need to be bracketed over terms performatively as if to say, because subjective or because seen, therefore not ontological, as a nominality that has particular definition and still elides the purchasing power of terms, but not their practical use, as a contradiction between stated limitation and actual extent of epistemic use of detail at large. Selling the means of production for things like insulin would be a better version of capitalism than dispensing one by one, as selling privatization in a way that benefits in localist terms after a sacrifice of value otherwise would, in some sense, provide an equivalent to class conscious action in a way that doesn't level things down but preserves the atomic integrity of atomic Keynesianisms. And yeah, with anarchy and primitivism, one can say that given that people have survived succeeding from society and gotten it right as colonies or splinter groups, it implies that, like Mennonites in Mexico or Amish in America, the ability to carry on in terms with less than others is havable and it can still be an ownness, something of their own. So, yeah.